Right now in today's marketplace with used cars, speed is of the essence in getting the cars brought to the front line. If you need an oil filter, in the old days, you'd call and get an oil filter and you'd call it to a Napa or somebody and they'd drive up, you'd wait 15 minutes for the part, the guys would sit another 15 minutes, now that's 30 minutes of productivity from my technicians. And at $135 an hour, you can do the math on that. We needed to get the cars turned around faster. When you talk about a used car, you have 7 days really, or 10 days is the optimum selling time to sell the car. If we're waiting 4 days to get it reconditioned, we've cut that down to now you have 3 days, maybe 5 days to sell it. Having the parts here in the operation, allowing our technicians to get the cars done quicker, we increase our turnaround time from 4 days to really we get them done in about 2 days now. And that gives us those extra days to sell that car, which is huge in today's day and age with the internet and used cars and everything else. It mighty allows us to be as fast as we can possibly be.